Okay, I'm gonna let you off the leash, okay? And you're not gonna run away. You promise. Okay, off you go. No! Get back here! I'm so done with this. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on. What are you... Let's go. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. You're not bringing that in the house. Drop it. Okay, okay, come on, come on. Okay, go get it. Okay, bring it back. Come on. Come on, come on. Bring it here. Okay, I'm done with this. All right, go get it. Bring it back. Okay, I guess I'll get it. Come here. No, no, just ignore that. Come here, come here. Good boy, come on. It's a squirrel in a 30-foot tree. Oh my god. Alright, people. It's race day. Thank you all for coming. Finally having some fun around here. My money's on the vampire freak. You don't scare me. We're not here to fight, okay? And we're not placing bets, Janet. 10 highways. No, what are you, crazy? Those are the two biggest freaks in this group. Sup, I heard we're racing. I spoke too soon. Chad, thanks for coming, and Riley, maybe next time, okay? Okay. Hi, sorry, me and Russian mom carpooled. We're here for the race. Hello, I'm here for epic race. Are we betting money or life? Hey, see, I'm not the only one. Okay, I'm gonna explain the rules now. Is that good with everyone? Oops, sorry I'm late. I brought snacks and juice boxes. Anybody want one? Do you have any Red Bull? I have vodka for juice. I prefer sweet tea, but I'll take one. Okay, can we get this race started, please? Okay, great. Dog is here. Twilight version of me is here. Here's the rules. On the count of 3, I'm gonna say stay, because Dog does the exact opposite of what I say, and then we're gonna start the race, okay? That's impossible. I haven't said stay yet. No!